Welcome to How to Study in Nursing School. My name is Jamie Adam. Is this information right for you? Are you already coming to class? Are you doing the work? Are you doing the prep work before class and doing the assignments after? Are you allowing enough time to study? And are you certain about nursing being your major? If your answer is yes, then this is for you. But if your answer is no, then I'd like you to pause, because there are some things that you can probably be doing to help you in your studying that you may not be doing already. And if you're struggling with your major, you might want to take some time and think about why you want to be a nurse. And if you're not sure, then maybe meet with someone who knows you well, a friend or family member, or even your advisor, and explore that further. So I'd like to ask you a few more questions. Is this information right for you? Do your grades match your effort? Do you find that when you study hard and work hard, you're getting A's? Do you approach your exams with ease? And do you feel like you have extra time in your week to do the things that you love? If your answer is yes, then share. Share with me what is working for you. I would love to hear that. I would love to be able to share that with other students. But also share with your classmates. And if your answer is no, then this is for you, because that is most nursing students. Most nursing students don't feel like the effort they put forth brings the grades that they feel like they've earned. And most students are very stressed about exams. Most students don't feel like they have time in their week to do the things that they love. Nursing school is hard. And oftentimes I hear people say that, well, you have to be smart enough and you have to work hard. And that is true, but that's usually not the problem. You are smart enough. You've been admitted to a nursing program. The committee that recommended you or accepted you decided that you have what it takes to be a nurse. So it's not about intelligence, and it's not about effort. Nursing is one of the most difficult majors. And so if you've gotten to this point, you know how to work hard. So what is the issue? Why is it that it's so difficult to get A's in nursing school? And let me tell you, when it comes to being successful in studying, it doesn't have to do with how smart you are or how hard you work. It has everything to do with strategy. So I'm going to share with you some strategies that students have found to be successful in nursing school. Strategy number 1, prepare for learning. So we're going to look at each of these areas: physical, emotional, and mental. In physical preparation, your sleep matters. Getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night is important. If you get less than that, and then you do it multiple nights in a row, it's going to be difficult for you to concentrate in class. And you may even find yourself sick. And being sick and having difficulty concentrating is a great recipe for missing important information in class, missing due dates, running out of the energy that you need to get assignments done, and feeling overwhelmed. Diet is another important part of preparation. You should be eating. You should be eating things that provide energy and strength for you. If you're skipping meals, if you're taking tests on an empty stomach, you may find yourself distracted. You may find it difficult to pay attention in class or to do your best work. Exercise is important. Maybe you don't have time to go to the gym every day, but are there things that you can do to help your blood circulate? Are there ways that you can keep moving? Can you take the stairs in between classes? Can you park further out in the parking lot and give yourself a walk? Can you take a lap around campus in your free time? Do what you can to infuse exercise as often as you can. It will help bring circulation to your brain and your body and give you energy. It can also keep you healthy. Think about your environment. What are you wearing to school? Are you comfortable? Are you warm or are you cold? Are you hot? Think about how you feel. Where are you sitting in class? Are you close to the front or are you in the back? Are you having any trouble seeing? Make sure that you're in an environment that supports your learning.
Nursing school won't feel so tough. Helping others won't be so rough. You are confident, compassionate, and so much more. But sometimes it feels like you're not too sure. So when